fried rice. I've got avocado oil, kimchi, garlic paste, salt to taste, an egg, gochujang paste, sesame oil, pepper, sliced onions and rice. I've added in avocado oil. So it's nice and hot, so I'm gonna add onions. We're going to add some garlic paste. We're going to add salt. Gochujang paste. Kimchi. Then I'm going to add some rice. You don't need to add gochujang paste, but I like with the paste. I'm going to add a bit of the leftover kimchi, a bit of sesame oil, a bit of pepper, in between. I'm going to put an egg in the middle and let it cook. Add a bit of sesame seeds, but that's entirely optional. Now I'm going to assemble the tacos. Kimchi fried rice taco. I'm going to put sriracha sauce for that extra kick, toasted taco shells, and I've got some raw cabbage, Nepali salsa, kimchi fried rice, sesame seed. Okay, so I'm going to take the shell. I'm gonna put kimchi fried rice first because that's going to be our base. A bit of kimchi there as well. Cabbage. Now I'm going to add our Nepali salsa. Oh, this is gonna give that nice kick. Finally, some of that sriracha sauce. It's never enough. Oh, wow, can you see that juice dripping down there? Oh, and sesame seed. It's a real Asian thing, man. And that's how it looks.